So guys, welcome to the lecture 1 part 2 and topic is a if else. Okay, so first we discuss what is a if else. So if else is a basically conditional statement in C++ that help in decision making. Okay, and the second point is it's allow a program to execute a block of code based on the given condition. Okay, here is a basically types of if statement. Okay, so first is a simple if statement. Okay, this one basically for execute code if condition is a true, and the second is a if else. If else means execute one block if true, another if false. Okay, and third is a basically if else ladder, multiple condition check one by one, and fourth one is a nested if inside another if. Suppose be given a condition and condition have true and false. Okay, so true for condition is a true and false for condition is a false. Okay, and here is the operator that we are using in the conditions. So this is the operator you can see here. This is a basically lesser operator. This is a for greater, and double equal basically used for the comparing, and this is the not equal operator, and this is the lesser or equal to the, and this is the greater or equal to the. And here you can see the logical operators also. So this is a for and this is a for or, this is a used for not. Okay, you can see the syntax of simple if. Okay, so basically in simple if be given a one condition only. Okay, so be given a one condition only. If condition is a true, then we just run this inside the code. And second is a if else. Okay, so in if else be given a basically two condition. Suppose question is like this. Suppose check number is a even or odd. Okay, so in this question we have a given two condition, even or odd. Okay, suppose condition is a even, so we just print even code here. Okay, and for else part we just run the odd part. Okay, and coming to the next one is a basically if else if ladder. So basically this is a used for the multiple condition. Okay, so this is the block for condition 1. Okay, suppose condition 1 is a true, then we just run this code, and suppose condition 2 is a true, then we just run this code, and other we just run this code. Okay, so now example of simple if. Okay, so suppose we given an integer and we check given integer is a positive or not. Okay, so we just need, if number is a positive then print positive, otherwise do not need to print anything. Okay, so we just check if number is greater than the 0, then we just say number is positive. Okay, so this is the example of simple if. So now come to the if else. Okay, so in if else basically we have two conditions. Okay, so this is a question for basically check even or odd number. Okay, so basically have two conditions. For one is a for even, so we just checking by this one. Okay, this is the basically modulus operator. Okay, this is a used for the find out the remainder. Okay, so basically we are checking if remainder is a 0, then we just say number is a basically even, otherwise number is a odd number. And you can see the example of if else if ladder. So basically we have a multiple condition. Suppose we have a given a marks, and marks is the greater or equal to the 19, so we just print grade A. Suppose marks is the greater or equal to 75, so we just print the grade B. And suppose marks is greater or equal to the 50, so we just print the C. Okay, grade C. And in else part we just print the fail. Okay, if marks is lesser than the 50, then we just print the this fail. Okay, so this is the example for the if else if ladder. Okay, it's clear to everyone every point of the if statement. Okay, so thank you.